got a swing arm that's pretty damaged from the chain wearing through the guide, you know, and it got into the seal and just started to get into maybe the little bushings and stuff. But what we're going to do is machine kind of a little mandrel that sits right in there, and I'll do the weld repair and build up everything around that, and then we'll get it all blended back in, and they can put on a fresh chain guide and be good to go. But just some basic repair work, just down and dirty. We'll get it back up and running though. Here's a machine plug. Pretty good fit. So we'll flip it around on this side and weld around it. But it's got a little bit of a bend right here. So we'll clean up that little booger. But yeah, now we got our tools. Here's what it looks like after that first weld buildup. We're going to knock all that down. This is what the inside looks with that slug. It keeps the form of it real nice, and you know, a seal rides there, so it's not some super crazy precision fit, and it can't go anywhere because it's sandwiched, you know, with the pivot in between the frame. But that's completely appropriate, and I'm gonna weld a little bit of, there's a little bit of a pocket right here, you'll see, it'll focus, so it's right down in there. So I'm gonna kind of blend that in just a smidge, and then just dress everything out, and it'll be good to go. It'll be repaired up and be really fresh looking. But this is the current state that this is in. Got it all blended in. Everything looks pretty good now. The fit's there where it needs to be, and Seat's all the way down in there. So for an O-ring fit, sealing everything in, it's going to be good. Good to go now.